Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with me, Chef Quee. Today, you know what we're going to call this? We're going to call this Brunch with Quee. Not Brunch at Tiffany's, but Brunch at Quee's. Let's cook, y'all. Okay, so first things first, we're going to start off by cooking our home fries or fried potatoes, whatever you want to call them. But I just have 3 small ones here. It's just for me, so I don't need that many. So I'm just doing a small dice on those. I'm going to drizzle with some olive oil, season them, and then throw them in our air fryer for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so while our home fries are cooking, we're going to work on our steak. Now I have a nice beautiful ribeye here. I'm going to season both sides. I like to get the little sides too, so don't forget that. And then we're going to sear that bad boy in our nice pretty cast iron skillet. Yes, we're bringing the big dog out today, y'all. Okay, so now that we flipped our steak over, I just added my aromatics in. We're going in with 2 to 3 sprigs of rosemary and then some fresh garlic cloves. I just used 2, certainly use 3 or 4. And then we're going in with more butter. Butter make it taste better, y'all. So yes, we're going in with more butter. I tilted that pan to the side and I'm basting my steak. Now all it is just adding more flavor to it and then just giving it a nice hot butter bath. That's it. That's all you're doing. Alright, so while my steak is finishing up in the oven, I'm going to work on my eggs. So I like them scrambled with cheese. So I just cracked me 3 eggs, whisked them up, and then added me some seasoning, a little splash of milk, and I just cook my eggs on low and slow. I don't like them dry, so I don't cook them too long, but nice and easy. Alright, that's it. That's all we are done. I just added me some toast on the side, made me some fresh garlic butter to go on top of my steak, and Brunch at Quee's is done. Y'all like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you want your girl to cook next, and I'll see y'all in the next video.